Unlocking charisma is the key to transforming a man's social landscape, making him a social dynamo. Charismatic individuals effortlessly navigate social interactions, leaving a lasting impression on everyone they meet. It's like having a superpower that enhances communication, builds stronger connections, and opens doors to opportunities. Picture this: a man who exudes charisma becomes a magnetic force in any room. People are naturally drawn to his energy, eager to engage in conversations and be a part of his world. Socially, it's like turning up the volume on life. Every interaction becomes richer, more meaningful, and the connections forged are 10 times stronger. Charisma isn't just a trait, it's a game changer, propelling men to new heights in their personal and professional lives. So, if you're ready to amplify your social prowess, unlocking charisma is the gateway to becoming socially 10 times better. Today, we explore the 5 key ways to unlock your charisma and leave a lasting impression. Number 1. Authenticity is key. Authenticity lays the groundwork for charisma, forming the cornerstone of genuine connections. When you embrace your true self, you radiate a magnetic energy that captivates others. People can sense authenticity, and in a world often filled with facades, being unapologetically true to yourself stands out. Share your quirks, embrace your uniqueness, and let your individuality shine. Authenticity creates a sense of trust, making others feel comfortable and drawn to your realness. In essence, it's the ability to be transparent and vulnerable that fosters meaningful connections, setting the stage for the charismatic aura that naturally follows. So, in the pursuit of charisma, authenticity is the key that unlocks doors to deeper and more impactful social interactions. Number 2. Master the art of active listening. Charismatic individuals distinguish themselves not only through eloquent speech, but also by mastering the art of active listening. It goes beyond hearing words. It's about genuine engagement and a sincere interest in others. By actively listening, you create a space where people feel valued and understood. Charisma blossoms in the reciprocity of ideas and emotions, where conversations become dynamic exchanges. When you focus on the speaker, ask thoughtful questions, and respond empathetically, you elevate the interaction. The ability to make others feel heard and acknowledged is a powerful component of charisma, fostering connections that go beyond surface-level conversations. So, in the pursuit of charisma, remember that being an exceptional listener is as vital as being a compelling speaker. Number 3. Confident body language. Your nonverbal cues can communicate volumes, often more eloquently than words. Start by maintaining strong eye contact, a powerful signal of confidence and attentiveness. Stand tall with good posture, portraying self-assuredness and presence. Purposeful gestures can further emphasize your points and add dynamism to your communication. Confidence in your body language not only enhances your personal charisma, but also shapes how others perceive you. It's a silent language that speaks loudly, creating an immediate and positive impression. By consciously refining your body language, you harness a potent tool to amplify your charismatic presence in any social or professional setting. Number 4. Cultivate a positive mindset. Charismatic individuals are like magnets for positivity, drawing people in with their optimistic energy. Cultivating a positive mindset involves not only maintaining optimistic thoughts, but also expressing that positivity in your interactions. Embrace an optimistic outlook on life, seek the silver lining in challenges, and let your positive energy become infectious. When you radiate positivity, others are naturally drawn to your charismatic aura. It's a powerful way to create a welcoming and uplifting atmosphere, enhancing your social interactions and leaving a lasting impact on those around you. Number 5. Engage in continuous learning. Charisma is not just about how you present yourself, it's also about what you bring to the table intellectually. Engaging in continuous learning keeps you curious, expanding your knowledge base and making you well-informed. This constant pursuit of knowledge adds depth to your personality, providing you with a rich array of topics for engaging conversations. Whether it's staying updated on current events, delving into various fields of interest, or acquiring new skills, The process of continuous learning enhances your charismatic appeal. People are naturally drawn to those who are knowledgeable, curious, and always seeking to grow, making continuous learning a key element in unlocking and sustaining charisma. There you have it, the 5 powerful ways to unlock your charisma. Remember, charisma is not a mysterious gift, it's a skill you can develop. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal growth and self-improvement. Until next time.